Welcome, knowledge seekers, to CognoQuotient, your go-to hub for fascinating science facts. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the world of lesser-known science facts, shedding light on things you've probably never even thought about. From eye color affecting light sensitivity to the puzzling berry confusion, we've got 25 mind-blowing facts that will make you see the world in a whole new way. So buckle up, sit back, and prepare to have your mind expanded. Let's embark on this journey of discovery together. Fact hash 1. Did you know that the color of your eyes can determine how sensitive you are to? It's all about melanin. That's the pigment in our bodies responsible for the color of our skin, hair, and yes, the more melanin you have in your irises, the darker your eyes. But here's the catch. People with blue eyes have less melanin, making their eyes more sensitive to light. So next time you're squinting in the sunlight, remember, it's not just your sunglasses you're missing, it might be your eye color. Fact hash 2. Ever thought about why bananas are considered berries, but strawberries aren't? Well, it's all about botanical definition. You see, in the world of botany, a berry is a fruit produced from the ovary of a single flower, with the seed enclosed in a fleshy pericarp. Bananas fit this description perfectly. On the contrary, strawberries are derived from a flower with more than one ovary, making them aggregate fruits. Fascinating, isn't it? So, it turns out, when it comes to berries, things aren't as straightforward as they seem. Fact hash 3. Are you under the impression that Earth is a perfect sphere and cows are loners? Think again. Now it's time to debunk a common misconception about our planet Earth. Despite what most globes suggest, Earth isn't a perfect sphere. Due to the planet's rotation, our Earth is somewhat squashed, causing it to bulge slightly at the equator and flatten a bit at the poles. It's a subtle difference, but it's what gives Earth its unique shape, known as an oblate spheroid. Switching gears, let's talk about cows. No, they're not plotting world domination, but they do have a social life. Studies suggest that cows form close friendships, just like us. They have a particular pal, a bestie, if you will, and they can become stressed when separated from their bovine buddies. So, the next time you look at a globe or see a cow, you'll remember these intriguing facts. Fact hash 4. What do honey and your taste buds have in common? They both have an interesting relationship with time. Now let's dive into the sweet world of honey. Known for its long-lasting properties, honey has a virtually eternal shelf life. This is due to a combination of its low moisture content, acidic nature, and the presence of hydrogen peroxide, all of which create an inhospitable environment for bacteria and microorganisms. Archaeologists have even discovered pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. Now, shifting gears to something a bit more ephemeral, our taste buds. Did you know that your taste buds have a lifespan? It's true. Taste buds are constantly regenerating, with each one living for approximately 10 to 14 days. So, the tongue you have today isn't quite the same one you had 2 weeks ago. Who knew that the sweet substance you spread on your toast has a longer lifespan than your taste buds? Fact hash 5. From powering a light bulb to growing at different speeds, our body is a fascinating machine. Let's delve into the wonders of the human brain, which is not only the powerhouse of our thoughts, dreams, and emotions, but also a literal powerhouse. When awake, the brain generates approximately 20 watts of electrical power. To put that into perspective, this is enough to power a dim light bulb. Imagine, the organ that shapes your reality could also light up a room. Moving from the mind to the fingertips, did you know that your fingernails grow 3 times faster than your toenails? That's right, your fingernails outpace their lower counterparts in a race you probably didn't even know was happening. So, while the brain is busy illuminating your world, your fingers are hard at work too, constantly growing and regenerating. So, the next time you flip a light switch or clip your nails, remember these intriguing facts. Fact hash 6. Let's dive into some more quirky science facts, from dinosaurs to dental health. Now, when you think of dinosaurs, chickens probably aren't the first creatures that come to mind. Yet, believe it or not, these humble birds are the closest living relatives to the colossal creatures that once ruled our planet. Yes, the T-Rex and the chicken share a common ancestry. Moving from the prehistoric to the more present, let's talk about your morning cup of Java. Coffee, apart from being a beloved beverage worldwide, holds a surprising dental benefit. Compounds in coffee can inhibit the growth of bacteria responsible for tooth decay. That's right. Your daily dose of caffeine might be helping you ward off cavities. So, the next time you're enjoying your espresso or observing a chicken, remember the fascinating science that intertwines with our everyday life. So whether you're sipping your morning coffee or looking at a chicken, you're witnessing science in action. in Fact-7. As we wrap up, let's journey further into the realm of human anatomy and the intriguing world of scientific facts. Did you ever realize that Venus, our celestial neighbor, possesses a day which exceeds the length of its year? Indeed, it's true. Venus rotates on its axis at such a languid pace that one full rotation, equating to a Venusian day, outstrips the time taken to complete an entire orbit around the Sun, known as a Venusian year. And if you find this odd, here's another astonishing fact. Certain species of frogs have the ability to solidify into ice during the biting winter months, and then, with the arrival of spring, they defrost and hop along as if they've experienced nothing unusual. This remarkable survival strategy is attributed to a sort of antifreeze present in their blood that deters ice from crystallizing within their cells. Shifting our gaze back to us humans, there's an interesting feature that most of us might not know. We are capable of glowing in the dark. Restrain your surprise because it's a fact. Humans radiate a very faint light, but it's so feeble that our eyes can't detect it. This bioluminescence is a side effect of metabolic reactions occurring within our bodies. Have you ever pondered over the amount of iron in our bodies? Astonishingly, the quantity is sufficient to forge a small nail. Nonetheless, it's vital to emphasize that this doesn't imply you should try extracting iron from your own. Now here's an amusing tidbit about the animal kingdom. Octopuses, the shrewd marine creatures, are endowed with 3 hearts. 2 of these hearts drive blood to the gills, while the third one propels it throughout the remainder of the body. Lastly, let's delve into the story of the world's longest recorded echo. It lingered for an impressive 75 seconds and was documented in Scotland's Ingedown oil tanks, deserted artifacts from the post-World War II era. Thus, the next time you find yourself staring up at the stars, bear in mind there's an entire cosmos of enthralling scientific facts right here on Earth. Before we wrap up, here's a quick message for all our inquisitive viewers out there. If you've enjoyed these fascinating snippets of lesser-known science facts and yearn to learn more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for Cognoquotient. From the mysteries of the cosmos to the wonders of our own biology, we strive to feed your curiosity. Join us in this journey of exploring the universe, one fact at a time. Remember, knowledge is power and it's just a click away. So, stay tuned, stay curious, and above all, keep learning. Now that we've journeyed through a plethora of riveting science facts, we hope you've enjoyed this enlightening adventure as much as we did. From the light sensitivity of blue eyes to the immortality of honey, from the brain's power to the evolution of cavities, each fact has been a testament to the endless wonders that science holds. If you found these facts as enthralling as we do, we urge you to subscribe to Cognoquotient. Our channel is dedicated to unmasking the mysteries of the universe and the human body, one intriguing fact at a time. By subscribing, you become a part of our curious community that never stops learning. So whether you're a science enthusiast seeking answers or a casual viewer with an insatiable curiosity, remember to hit that subscribe button and join us in our journey of discovery. Stay curious, keep learning, and we promise to keep the fascinating facts coming. Until the next video, remember, the universe is full of mysteries and you have the power to unravel them. See you soon!